What's up guys? Welcome to another video by moi. Before I get into the video, you might be thinking as if I want to take curly advice from this absolute frizz box, but this is on purpose. I'm doing this intentionally because I want to try the flaxseed gel as a refresh the next day. So at the moment, all I have in my hair is a deep conditioner, and see, look how lovely it is without a styler. So, as you might have guessed from the title of the video, I am trying a flaxseed gel recipe. Now, do not despair if you're in Australia and you go to the supermarket and you cannot find flax anywhere. They are called linseeds here. Hey, bud. My little mate. Now, I have not made this before and I am excited to try it out and see how it goes in my hair. And maybe in your hair, hey mate?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's get cooking. We need our linseeds. And we need a small pot. And we just need some water. Okay, so first step, don't mind my child sitting on the bench. He is not normally allowed to do that. But considering we're filming for YouTube, we'll let it fly, hey? Okay, so to the pot, Vincey, we need to add the water. In the recipe, it says to add, oh.
Get that.
Mind your head, Fred. So we're adding 600 mils of water to the pot.
Love it.
Thanks, buddy.
Welcome, Mum.
And then we're popping in
my fingers.
a quarter of a cup
Mum,
of
can I do it?
flax gel, flax seeds, linseeds. Thanks, bud. That's it.
And you can eat it.
So just going to let that one go to a boil. Don't touch it, buddy. It's hot. All right, jump off, mate. Okay, it's at a boil now, so I'm just going to turn the heat down low. I think it's at the right consistency now, so I just let it simmer for probably about 5 minutes. So, looks quite good now. So I'm just going to set up my straining system. So you can use pantyhose or some linen. Cheesecloth is good, or if you do have one of those nut milk bags, anything that will get rid of the seeds but let the liquid get through. A bit of cheesecloth from an old baby blanket that used to hold
Me.
you. I'm going to pop it over my measuring cup. Grab a good old lucky band. So we read a couple of comments that people found that it was hard to strain when it was cooled, and the original recipe does say to let it cool. So I am just going to take it out of the pot now, put it in here into the straining section, and let it cool slightly there, but not for an hour like the original recipe suggests. See how we go with that one, shall we?
Don't get it up to the top. It looks slimy.
So a fair bit has drained through already, but it is steaming hot still. So I'll leave that for a minute. Okay, it is cool enough to touch now. Oh, and it feels super slimy. So I'm just going to take the elastic band off carefully so it doesn't just all fall in, and kind of gather up the sides.
You squeeze it.
All right, it is definitely cool enough to handle now. I tried to do it before and it was too hot, and then all the bloody gel was coming out the top and it was just a big giant mess. So I tied it off and put a regular strainer there. So I'm just going to squeeze the gel mix now. Oh, that's really satisfying. You see all that? Look, I had a blowout. Okay, so I'm going to put my gel into a old mayo container just so I can squirt it out. If you're vegan, or even if you aren't vegan, try out this mayo. It's in Coles in the health food section and it is bomb. So good.
Careful, Mom, could have a little thing on it.
I am stoked to see how the results turn out for this one. I'm going to pop it in the fridge overnight, try it out tomorrow for my refresh style. Morning guys, I just thought I would show you the state of my hair before I do the flaxseed gel trial. I have just got home from the gym, so I'm a bit sweaty and gross, but I'm just going to jump in the shower. Remember, I only had leave-in conditioner on my hair yesterday, so I'm just going to sort of run it under the shower and re-wet it, and then style it with the gel. I've got to be really quick though because I've got work today and I'm already running late. Okay, got my gel here, fresh out of the fridge. Looks pretty watery though. Hopefully this works out okay. Oh, I don't mean to be gross, but it's like a big gooey when you've got a cold or a flu. Apparently this is okay and safe to put on your scalp as well. So I might do that. I did read that it's good for dandruff control and flaky scalp. So that's always a positive. And also people have had some really good results from hair growth too, using it as like a pre-poo type thing. So actually rubbing it on their scalp with oils and things before they shampoo. Very versatile product. Okay, so this is the wet result, guys. I shall check back in with you once it is a bit more dry and see how the hold is going as well. Got high hopes for this one. I like a good frugal product. See you soon. Hey guys, I am so stoked with my hair with flaxseed gel. I have got the best cast I've ever had in my life. And look at this definition here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Wow. I can't wait to do an actual proper wash and style with it rather than just what I did today, which was pretty much just wetting it from my wash yesterday. It was a bit of a half-assed effort, to be honest. But I'm stoked, guys. I'm hooked. I am going to be a regular flaxseed geller. You. All right. I'll see you again soon. Let me know if you have used flaxseeds before in the comments below and how you went with it. Bye, guys.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators.
Never can try.